Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Subaru WRX Premium. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Subaru has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.